just arrived in Piccadilly Circus, and it was the most famous place here. There's a lot of tourists, a lot of people around here. Really crazy. I remember this place here. It's very close to Piccadilly Circus, and there are a lot of theaters here. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I need to pee. I think I'm going to Burger King just to pee. Oh, that's the Chinese street. Nice. Chinatown it's called. It's worked out. You see the Burger King behind me? I just went there to go to the toilet. It's been working out still. I'm going to try to check a little bit of the Chinatown. Let's see. We got something beautiful. The Thames River with the London Eye on the top. With London Eye there. Polluted river. But there you go. Houses of Parliament and the Big Ben and a lot of tourists and hot dogs and everything, and the Thames River and the London Eye. Okay. I have a hot dog. Oi. Tudo bem? So here I am in front of London Eye, and yeah, you can go to this Ferris wheel, giant Ferris wheel. I don't know how long how long it takes to go around like this, but you can see the whole city from there, and it costs £36 to get in. Yeah, there's a lot of people, a lot of tourists. Yes. Sorry? Yeah, there might be something inside, but I didn't see it. Can you go inside and check? Because I don't know. Maybe the best thing to do is to go to Burger King or McDonald's, then it's free. You find one, then you go. Yeah. Cheers. Yeah, that was a little bit of London, and yeah, London continued the same thing. It's very nice city, very beautiful, and after the pandemic, seems like a lot of people are coming back here. They're enjoying it. Let's see. I liked it. It's very hot today, which is very strange, but I think London is coming back to normality. Yes. Let him know maybe that we're gonna do that before we leave. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna do a quick register. So when you hear your name, can you like wave and I don't know, make a noise?
Like, yay! Oh, vocês estão ouvindo aí atrás? Obrigado!
Okay.